Hey guys, this is Rohi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a complete home. And today's recipe is boneless Meghana biryani. Meghana is a famous restaurant in Bangalore. This really tastes yummy. Please give this recipe a good try. Let's quickly get into the recipe. Here I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken. Add salt as per your taste. 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half a tablespoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon chili powder as per your taste, half a tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala and 1 whole egg and 2 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix all together. Add a pinch of orange food color, it's optional. Mix well, close the lid and refrigerate for 1 hour or 2 hours or until it is needed. To prepare biryani rice, here I have taken some biryani spices. Fry these in oil or ghee. Add 1 cup sliced onions and green chilies. Fry until they turn golden brown in color. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry these for 2 to 3 minutes. Add finely chopped coriander and finely chopped pudina. 4 to 5 tablespoons of curd. Fry this for a minute. Now add water. Here I am using 4.5 glass of water. For this recipe I am using 3 glass of basmati rice. So for 3 glass of basmati rice I am adding 4.5 glass of water. Add salt as per your taste. Add a pinch of yellow food color. Mix well and let water bring to boil. Now you can see here this water starts boiling. At this time add half a lemon juice. Now add washed basmati rice. I have soaked this basmati rice for 30 minutes. Close the lid and cook in a high flame for 15 minutes. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee and mix well. Now keep the flame low and cook for 15 minutes or until this rice is cooked. In a kadai, add some oil and add all the chicken pieces. Fry these chicken pieces for 5 to 10 minutes. Only 50% of this chicken has to be cooked. The remaining will cook along with the gravy. Now switch off the flame and we'll take it in a bowl. To the same pan I am adding 1 cup of sliced onions and green chilies as per your taste. Fry this until they turn golden brown in color. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute for a minute and add half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder and 1 cup of tomato puree. Salt as per your taste. Cook this for 3 to 4 minutes. Now our gravy is ready. You can see this oil is separating from the pan. At this time add fried chicken. Add fresh coriander leaves. Close the lid and cook this chicken for 5 to 10 minutes in a medium flame. So here our rice is done. Let's see how it is. Now you can see here our rice is perfectly cooked. And here this gravy is also ready to serve. Let's arrange the boneless biryani. Serve this basmati rice in a bowl. Now top this with chicken gravy. Yummy, delicious and mouth-watering boneless chicken biryani is ready to serve. My kids and family really enjoyed this. Please give this recipe a good try and do post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Please do subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.